Good. Well, whenever, YouTube. This week we're going to be working on a ring. It's a very simple print. But I've got a concept for a jewelry piece. So we're going to start off with seeing how well I can recreate the red ring. As you can see here with some sample plastic I got from Solidoodle. It's actually by and far the best plastic I've used so far. It's a shame I only had a sample of it, but $50 is a bit of a steep price to afford for some plastic, but that's alright. So we're going to go ahead and start the printer up, get the heater, the extruder heated up, English, right? And let's get started. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. We've got a ring. Ooh, it is stuck. There we go. Not bad. Peel off this. Alright, well, I could do a little bit better, but, you know, the aftercare can include acetone, monoethylene. I don't know if you can actually tell the difference, but you see there's a nice glossy shine to the one I'm currently wearing, and the other one is matte. I personally like the matte finish better, so I'll probably use that from now on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching another one of the weekly videos. If you have any questions, add them to the comments. If you're enjoying these, please subscribe.